Time to get this cleaned up. Let's get into it. After clearing out all the scraps and slabs and tearing out the old shelf and pegboard, I started with the upper lumber storage, cutting 4 2x4s down to 3 feet. Then, cutting 2 more 2x4s down to 3 feet with opposing mitered ends. After that, I pre-drilled one end of a square piece. Then anchored it perpendicularly to another square cut piece. Before anchoring the mitered support brace into place. After checking to make sure they were square, I screwed them into the 2x4s already mounted to the concrete wall. After adding a third smaller 2-foot shelf brace, I measured the distance between the 3 brackets, then cut 2 stretchers for each gap to stabilize the shelf, as well as 2 smaller pieces to act as additional foundational stickers for the stacks. And anchored all of them into place with a few more screws. Time to test it out. With a sturdy shelf, I stacked the slabs and boards before turning to the scrap cart. I started by cutting a 36 by 36 inch square bottom. Then cut 2 more rectangular panels for either side. I stacked the pair and cut a quick bevel on the front face to give the cart a slightly lower profile. With the 3 plywood faces ready, I cut a few 36-inch 2x4s to anchor everything together. I also used some 1x8 planks to create a central divider so I could better sort the scraps. Then added 4 casters so I could move the cart as needed. Time to organize. And that's a wrap. For more behind-the-scenes content and to support the channel, join us over on Patreon. Until next time.
you.